launching application, we have already seen this. If you want to run anything as a Scala application, the two ways that I told you, right? So one way is that you write your object class. Sorry, I myself making a contradictory statement. An object, you have to write an object. Inside that, write a main method. So this way, you can run this. If you run this as a, what happened to this? Any errors on this? Yeah. So one problem with this Scala is that if you have any other programs also in that package with error, that it will not let this one to run. Okay. So let me comment this out. How many errors are there? Okay. And in this, let me refresh this. Till now we were executing this, right? Look, it isn't strange. I declared them all too many packages here. Okay. Yep. So having those nested levels of packages and packages, so that was a problem. So you should have at least one object declared, and inside that main method, then you can run that as a Scala application. Whereas this one, you have all your Scala code, but you can't run that as a Scala application. But if I have an object test, and inside that object test, having a main method will make this as a application. And the other way is extending a trait that is called that extending another trait app. So this will also make your application running.
Which one is recommended? Extending the app or?
There is nothing much recommendation or drawbacks or something. It's up to your wish.
Okay.
Not much differences. Okay. So either ways is fine. So you can now see after adding object test extends app, this line. So now it is showing that run a Scala application. Okay. So that is, so making a Scala project or Scala program as a runnable application or launching that as an application. Okay. So one thing with when you are extending app, so if you want to access the arguments, in case if you have a main method, let's say if I have main method this way, if you pass any command line arguments for this program when you're running this, so if you want to pass through command line, those command line arguments you can access through args of 0, args of 1, args of 2. But here, when you are extending this app, even though you're not specifying what is your args array, okay, by default you can access your args array here the same way that your main method. Like if you pass any command line arguments, you can just access it by args of 0, args of 1, args of 2, args of 3, like that. You got it, right?
Yep. So I think the extends is the clean way of doing. I mean, you can minimize one line coding here.
Yeah, one line you can minimize. Yes.